Welcome to Prague.
And you're watching the Fantastic Four.
Close your
Hey guys, we spent a couple days here in Prague and just wanted to show you, I know we've shown you these small little European elevators before, but just had to show you this one. This one's a little different. It certainly would never pass muster in the United States, and I'll show you why. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna face this way. Well, first of all, let's go up. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's no door. This is a wall. This is a wall, and there's another door for that floor. And so you could easily get your fingers pinched in here. I just can't imagine the safety hazard this is. So we've been very cautious about that. That's floor 3. So anyway, we just had to show you this before we show you the apartment. So I think this is it, and that's fun. And Rhonda, oops, turned the wrong way. Rhonda's right here. Let's check out the apartment.
Hello, and welcome to our apartment here in Prague. You walk right in the front door into kind of a long corridor. We can hang our coats up right here. There's a tiny little refrigerator, kind of a college-sized fridge, and a microwave. And it spills you right into the kitchen area, which I'll talk about in a second. So first, I'm going to take you into the bathroom, which is down in here. It's a strange little configuration, and you'll notice that we just have a shower bathtub. And I don't know if you can get all the way in the corner here, which is really tight. We have a teeny tiny little washing machine right here. And I want to show you something about this washing machine. It's like this cylinder inside that you connect. So you put your clothes inside there, and then you connect the cylinder. It's strange. We had one like this in Slovenia too, and I just wanted to remember that. So anyway, very tiny little washroom that is missing the commode, which I'll show you in here, and a tiny little room by itself. So very functional, very effective bathroom / washroom combo. Okay, so then this is the kitchen area, and we have sort of a storage area here where we can hang our clothes, do that sort of thing if we needed more linens. There is a stove top and oven here. And then we had a coffee pot, hot pot, we had all of our dishes and that kind of thing up here. So it's a fully stocked kitchen, which is really nice. And then a tiny little kitchen table right here, which was very functional. It's just a little bit dark in here, so we didn't spend a lot of time in this area. I'm going to take you into where the girls slept, which is a huge bedroom. We decided that we gave them the best end of the deal, which I'll show you our bedroom here in a minute. But so really nice big bed, really comfortable bed, which is nice. And yeah, TV, they have a full TV here. And then again, I can't talk enough about the natural lighting. So if you look out the windows here, we have beautiful morning light that came in every morning, and it's got a great view of the street. But our bedroom has the exact same view, so I'll show you the view a little bit better from their side, or from our side. So again, we come back through the kitchen, and then we're gonna come into our bedroom. So I think the rooms are the same size. We have a couch, just like they had a couch. You can see where the girls were sitting. And we have a bigger TV. I guess that's a good deal if you're a TV watcher, which we're not really. The bed is the same size, but our bed sat way lower to the ground. You can see how low to the ground it goes, which, you know, Mitch is 50 now, so it makes it a little more difficult to climb up out of bed. But anyway, super comfortable beds, fun decor, and probably what we like the best, again, I can't talk enough about it, is the view and the very natural light. So I'm going to take you outside, because this one actually has a door. so you can see our awesome view. So you can see we have a tiny little, just, I guess, veranda, if you will. Not big enough really to sit out here, but we did come out here and just watch people and watch the traffic. So I'm gonna let you see the expansive view we have. So yeah, we are high enough up to get away from the bulk of the noise, but as you can tell, I'm sure you just heard that guy yelling down the street. Yeah, we couldn't get away from all the noise, but still, it's a great spot here in the center of Prague, and we were within walking distance of a lot of awesome things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour. If you did enjoy it, it'd be great if you gave us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more videos coming your way, and we always love to hear from you in the comments below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.